Alright, you guys. It's Saturday, about 8:20 a.m. Sitting here at home base, getting ready to go look for the GoPro. About to fire up the coffee maker and make me some coffee. So yeah. Time to get that guy boy fired up right there. Go find my stuff. Maybe I'll be able to actually get this thing found and taken care of. Alright guys, well here's an update. Made it out to the mountain, and let's just say that well, I probably shouldn't be here by most people's standards. I don't know about you guys. I mean, it's not that bad to me. Don't really care. It's just a little bit of snow. You know, sometimes you have to do what you gotta do. Yep. This should make it a little easier to find. Believe it or not. I'll be able to actually see what I'm doing, where I'm going, and where I've been. Because there's wonderful foot tracks everywhere. So that should make shit a little bit easier. Pretty happy about that. Yep. Coffee up, guys. Alright, well, we're about 12:45-ish. About 3 hours into this, looking around for the GoPro. Got quite a bit of area covered. I'm on about half my second roll of flagging, but shit's not looking too good. Got a little bit of snow coming in. It's pretty cold too, but oh well.